Right, we're live. We have Daniel's mini for entry into the main box break. Winner gets spots 15 and 25. Second gets 29. We have Todd Faulkner in the 1, Ben Kelberg, Adam Bartley, Rodney Stewart, Lee Johnson, Ben, Adam, Lee, Todd, and Rodney in the 10 spot. Copy that. Snake Eyes live. Current local time 9:24 and 48 seconds. 3 rolls. 1, 2, and 3. No snake eyes. We have 8, 3 and a 5. There's our list with Todd in the 1, Rodney in the 10, Todd in the 1, Rodney in the 10. The roll was an 8. So that's the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Gone 7 times. Adam in the 1 and 10 spot. Roll was an 8. 1 more. Good luck. Ben in the 1 spot. Adam Bartley in the 2 spot. So Ben, you get spot 15 and 25 in the break, and Adam spot 29. Congrats, guys. What I'm doing down here. Snake Eyes is complete. 9:26 and 20 seconds. Thanks, guys.